Continuing with team coverage of this story, we turn now to Fox 44's Kendall Green. New tonight, we're finding out that locals are still shocked at what happened earlier this morning. Kendall, you spoke with local residents about their reactions to this violent attack, and we have to ask, how's the community taking all of this?
Hey Adam, as you can imagine, folks in the community are having a difficult time tonight unpacking the tragedy that happened in Saba early this morning. As we told you earlier, 3 people are dead tonight. One of the victims, a 13-year-old student at Saba Middle School. We spoke to several people in the community earlier this evening who say they're still in disbelief. Just yesterday evening, around 8, people in town shared with us that they saw the middle schooler whose life was taken and the 18-year-old who remains in critical condition tonight with the suspect who authorities believe is responsible for the 3 stabbing deaths. They say the 3 were at the gas station they normally visit, joking around in a great mood. And they say they don't know what could have happened to create such a drastic turn of events. But when they got the news of what happened early this morning, they say they were in a state of shock. We spoke to some of the victims' loved ones, and their reactions to this morning's standing are truly heartbreaking. Take a listen.
What can you say? You can't say anything. I mean, it's hard. It's really hard because they're going through a lot right now that there's no amount of words that can even say I'm sorry. Because as much as you want to sit here and hug them and tell them that you love them and everything is going to be okay, how long? For how long is everything going to be okay? Nobody knows. It's something that's going to be there forever.
We also spoke to a friend of the 13-year-old killed. She says she describes her as one of the best friends she's ever had. She says the news that her friend was gone really broke her heart.
I feel so depressed and sad, and as soon as I heard what happened, I couldn't stop crying. I was crying for hours. I just couldn't stop.
And her mom struggled to put in words the pain the small, tight-knit community is going through right now.
Devastation is horrible. I mean, it's bad. I used to hang out on that street, you know, and it's just horrible. I never thought that something like that would happen in this town, you know, not in Saba. You always think anywhere but here.
Now, the staff at Saba ISD are going to have quite the tough job Monday helping students cope with the sudden loss of their 13-year-old friend and classmate. We'll share how they plan to begin that healing process coming up at 9:30. Adam.